Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Ashley, yesterday in class, I did really well.
Oh, that's great, Tom. What happened?
We had to talk about yesterday, and because I practiced with you, I was ready.
See, practice works. So what's next in class?
Tomorrow, we need to talk about our plans. I mean, what will you do tomorrow?
So now it's time for the future tense. Do you want to practice again with me?
Of course. You helped me before, so please help me now.
Okay then, let's make it fun. I'll talk about my tomorrow and you listen and repeat. Then you tell me yours.
Sounds good. But Ashley, future tense, is it difficult?
Not at all. It's even easier than past tense. You'll see. Okay, Tom. Before we talk about tomorrow, let's make something clear. In English, there are two very common ways to talk about the future. We use will and we use going to.
Right, but they both mean the future, don't they?
Yes, both are future, but the feeling is different. Will is for sudden decisions or promises. Going to is for plans you already made.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Example 1. I'm thirsty. I will get some water now. It's a sudden decision.
Okay, I will get water. That's easy.
Example 2. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to visit my grandma. That's a plan. You decided before.
So going to is for plans. Got it.
And do you know what a prediction is, Tom?
Not really. Is it like guessing?
Close. A prediction is when you say something about the future because of what you see or know now. For example, look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain soon.
Oh, I see. So going to can also mean we think something will happen.
Exactly. And one more example. Example 4. Don't worry, Tom. You will pass the test. That's not a plan or a sudden decision. It's a promise.
I like that one. I will pass the test.
Good. So remember, both are future, but will is for sudden choices and promises, and going to is for plans and predictions. All right, Tom. We talked about the rules. Now, let's start practicing. We will talk about our tomorrow.
Good idea. Let's begin with the morning.
Tomorrow morning, I'm going to wake up at 7.
Really? I'm going to sleep a bit longer, maybe until 8.
Careful, Tom. If you wake up too late, you won't have time for breakfast.
Won't? That's will not, right?
Exactly. Won't is just a short form of will not. And in English, people usually say won't more than I'm not going to.
Ah,
So I'm going to is for my plans, and I won't is for the things I don't plan to do.
Perfect. Here's another example. If the sun shines, I'm going to run in the park. But if it rains, I won't run.
Got it. Positive plan equals going to. Negative plan equals won't. Easy.
After waking up, I'm going to brush my teeth and wash my face.
Good idea. I'm going to do the same, but maybe a bit later.
Don't be lazy, Tom. If you wait too long, you won't feel fresh in the morning.
Okay. I won't skip washing my face.
Great. And for breakfast, I'm going to eat eggs and bread.
I'm going to drink coffee first.
Careful. Too much coffee isn't good.
All right, I won't drink only coffee. I'll eat a sandwich too.
That's better. A good breakfast will give you energy.
You're right. Without food, I won't stay awake in class.
See? Another example with won't. Very natural.
Got it. My plan is coffee and a sandwich. And my promise is I won't skip washing my face.
All right, Tom. Let's talk about tomorrow morning after breakfast. I'm going to study in the library.
Okay, that's a plan. You're going to study.
Yes, but listen, sometimes we also use the present continuous for the future. Do you know what that is?
Not really. Present continuous, like I am studying now?
Exactly. Normally, it's for right now, but if the plan is very sure, we can also say, I'm studying in the library tomorrow.
Oh, so I'm going to study and I'm studying tomorrow mean the same thing?
Yes, almost the same. The difference is small. I'm going to study is just a plan. I'm studying tomorrow feels stronger, like it's already arranged.
Can you give me another example?
Sure. Example 1. I'm going to visit my cousin tomorrow. Example 2. I'm visiting my cousin tomorrow. Both are correct.
Oh, so the second one sounds like the schedule is fixed.
Exactly. Another example. She's going to meet her teacher tomorrow. Or she's meeting her teacher tomorrow.
Nice. So going to equals plan and ing equals fixed arrangement.
Perfect summary, Tom. Tomorrow at noon, I'm going to meet my friend for lunch.
Oh, me too. Actually, I'm meeting my cousin tomorrow at noon.
Nice, Tom. That's a fixed arrangement. You used ing.
Yes, I remembered. Going to is for plans, but ing is for something already arranged.
Perfect. And if I feel too hungry, maybe I'll just buy pizza.
That's will, right? A sudden decision.
Exactly. I'm going to meet my friend is my plan. I'm meeting her tomorrow is a fixed arrangement. And I'll buy pizza is a sudden choice.
Wow, 3 ways to talk about the future in one lunch.
Tomorrow afternoon, our English class starts at 2.
Starts. That's simple present, right?
Exactly. For schedules, we use the simple present.
Oh, like the bus leaves at 3 tomorrow.
Perfect. That's a timetable.
And in class, the teacher always gives us a short quiz, so I can say the quiz begins at 2:30 tomorrow.
Yes, great sentence, Tom. Class schedules, bus timetables, museum hours, they all use the simple present.
Got it. So tomorrow our class starts at 2, the quiz begins at 2:30, and the bus leaves at 3.
Exactly. That's how you talk about fixed schedules. Tomorrow evening, I'm going to cook dinner at home. That's my plan.
Sounds nice. I'm meeting my parents at a restaurant at 7. That's already arranged.
Oh, right. And the restaurant show starts at 8, doesn't it?
Yes, it starts at 8 sharp. That's the official schedule.
After dinner, I'm going to read my notes for class.
I'll study too, but maybe only a little. That's a sudden decision.
Careful, Tom. If you don't study, you won't be ready for the quiz.
Okay, promise. I won't play games all night.
Good. After studying, I'm going to watch a short movie.
If you watch a movie, I'll make popcorn. That's my sudden idea.
Perfect. But remember, we won't stay up too late.
Deal. Tomorrow is a busy day, so I won't stay awake past midnight.
Finally, at 11, I'm going to sleep.
And I'm going to bed at the same time. No excuses.
Great! So tomorrow evening has everything. Clear plans, fixed arrangements, schedules, sudden choices, and promises.
Exactly. We said going to for plans, ing for fixed arrangements, the simple present for schedules, and will or won't for sudden choices and promises.
Perfect summary, Tom. Tomorrow is ready.